Not yet. Or yeah.
Run, Miss Carr.
Come on, Miss Carr. You might want to run.
Cheers.
Coming. She's coming.
Shouldn't we shake it?
No, shh. I'm just gonna like hide you guys.
I can't see.
Hold steady. It's gonna blow up.
The anticipation is killing me.
Is it even gonna blow up in this one?
It'll blow up.
Oh, it's filling up.
Sorry.
Don't mind me. Come out here.
I'm willing to be late to the next class, so I'm.
I really don't care.
Come on, Gatorade.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. All clear.
Wait.
Ooh.
Oh. Yeah. Run. Wait.
Shabab, get in the front.
Oh my god.
I think it's this. Wait. Yeah. What is it?
Sorry, guys.
Oh. Dang.
Yeah, we thought we were gonna die.
Alright, who wants to go defuse the bomb?
Step aside.
Someone needs to go.
Are you done?
Well, I'm not letting Tina go nowhere.
I wouldn't walk in the direction of it.
Tina, stop!
Tina. Or Seth. You're risking your life for us, Miss Carr.
Thank
We
you.
appreciate you.
You'll be remembered.
We
Remember,
love
it's
you.
the red wire.
It's
No,
all.
it's the yellow one.
I thought it was green.
It's almost black.
Are we all
Stand next to
colorblind?
it.
What wire?
Whoa.
Kick it.
Don't kick it. Why won't?
Are
Shoot
you
it.
stupid?
Oh.
It's turning.
Oh.
It's Charlie.
It's Charlie.
He said yes. I think it's done.
Yeah, it's done.
It's done.
It just moved though. I heard a noise.
It's already too late.
Sorry, too late.
We're defusing a bomb right now. Don't mind us.
No, I know. We are late.